In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the manual print head cleaning of your Epson ET2400 printer. So we are going to open the printer and take the print head out, and we will clean it. We will unclog the print head so that it can print properly. You can use this method if you want to unclog the print head, replace the print head, or if you have already tried auto print head alignment or auto print head cleaning and your printer is still not printing properly, or if the sum of the ink is not showing up. To do the manual print head, first we have to unlock the print head of this printer. For that we are just going to give a copy command. Once your print head moves, we will unplug the printer. So click on the copy, black or color. Unplug the power cable. Let's open the printer. So that's the front portion. Move it like this. Lift it once. It will stand itself. Now we have to remove the lock from here so that this top section can stand separately. So there is a screw we can see here. So we just have to unscrew that first. Take it out, and there is another screw on the top. You can access it from here. You will see it just on the top of the section. So just unscrew that. That looks a little bit different. Now to unlock this section, just lift it up and move this section to the side. So this plate will come out. Be careful when you open it. To keep it like this, we can use some instrument so that it doesn't go down. So we have to place something here. So that's our print head. So first we have to open it. So just slide it to one side. There may be some screws. If you don't have, it's okay. You just unlock it from here. And lift it. So remove this top plate. You remove it one by one. Also keep an eye on the ink. You can see if your print head has ink or not. So remove all four and unplug from here and remove this plate. Just push it forward. Now just put them on one side. Our print head is actually down there. Before we go to the print head, we have to remove this plate. We have to remove this plate. On the both sides there are locks. So if you press it and move it, it should move a little bit on the top. So lift it from here and then do it same from the other side. It from this side, press it here, it will unlock from here and then unlock from this side. Now this plate will come out. Next step is to take some screws out. So there are total 3 screws here. press it from your finger on this side, this electric wire, and now you can just take the print head section out. So lift it up. That is our print head. You can see here. Now if you want, you can just remove this section, so pull it out. So we have to clean this print head. Take a clean tissue and apply some water. Now take the print head and clean it. So this will unclog the print head. Once you clean it, it may take some time if your ink is clogged too much, and then we will reinstall it. In case your print head is not working properly, you can also replace it with the new print head. Now to install it back, you just have to place it here and push it in. Once you do that, now place it back. So just let it go down. So once you place it here, now put the screws back. Now put those 3 screws back. Now put the plate in its position, so just install it here and press it down. It will lock. Next step is to place these cartridges. So let's start with the black. So place it here. And then comes the next yellow, then comes the magenta and the cyan. Now place these pipes in its position. So let's start with the 1 and 2 here, and the other 2 comes here. 1 comes there. Now put this plastic cover on the top here, place it here, and then this one and this one. So just move it on the left hand side. Now it is locked, so we have installed it properly. Next is to install the cover. So this cover is here. Just place it. It will lock itself. You can press it down. Once you hear the lock sounds, that means it is installed properly. Now remove the support from here. Now when you lock this section, make sure you place these hooks straightway there. So there is a section on the other side, so we have to place the hooks there straightway. Only then it will fit in its original position. So let it go down. So you can see it has completely closed. Now place your hand here and lift it up. It will stand. Now place that screw back here that was on the top. Now go for the next, that is the black screw just in the front. Now we can freely lift and close from here like this. Now lower it, close it, plug in the power cable. So once you switch on the printer, wait for the power light to become stable. In case you see red lights on this section, you just switch off your printer and switch it on again. Once you restart it, you will see the lights are gone. Now we have to do the print head alignment. So press and hold the cancel button for 5 seconds and release it. So it will use some of the ink to clean the print heads so that the ink can flow properly and printouts will be. So it's going to do the auto print head cleaning. It's important to do it after you do the manual print head cleaning. You can also do the power cleaning if you cannot do the manual print head cleaning. It may take 2-3 minutes and then we will do a print test. Print head cleaning is done. Your power light is stable. Let's do a copy. So that will confirm if all the inks are working properly or not. So I'm just going to place this sheet. It has all the 4 ink colors. Let's do a color copy. We can clearly see the printhead has started to work like new. Printhead is unclogged, there is no clogging inside now, and we can use it for printing. Overall, you can use the manual printhead cleaning method. If every other thing has failed, this will quickly resolve your problem and we can start using the printer. Thanks for watching.